Welcome to Tax to E-File. Here at Tax to E-File, we offer electronic filing services for some of your most important tax forms. To get started, let's first create an account. Start by clicking the Register button on the top right-hand corner of the page. Each user will then be prompted to fill out their profile details. Once the account has been created, an activation email will be sent to the email used for registration. Once the account has been activated, it's time to log in. Welcome to the Profile Dashboard. Here, each user can see the 5 different categories of tax returns we have to offer, including individual, nonprofit, excise, information return, and business tax. For any help or questions that may arise, each user can contact us by selecting the live chat feature, send us an email, visit our FAQ page, view our help videos, or call us at our posted number. There is a box labeled Tips on every screen to help each user through the filing process. Let's get started by selecting the 2290 tax form under the Excise Tax section of the page. Welcome to the 2290 dashboard. On the dashboard, there are several options to select from. Each user also has the option to start a VIN correction, check their submission status, and download their previously filed Schedule 1. To start a new file, each user must add their business information. This can be done by selecting the Add New Business Profile button. This is the Business Informations page. This page contains all the information pertaining to each user's business, including their business name, EIN, and their business address. Please avoid using special characters such as periods and commas when entering your business name. Please also avoid using any dashes when entering your EIN. Each user must enter their business information and scroll down the page. Next, each user will be prompted to enter the signing authority information. Enter their name, title within the business, a unique 5-digit PIN, and phone number. Once all relevant information has been entered, click Save and Continue on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Next is the Tax Year Information page. Here, each user must select the tax year in which they are filing for. Here, the user will also select their first month's use. This simply means what is the first month of the year that the vehicle was driven on the road. If the vehicle was purchased from a private party, select Yes to the following questions. Please select Final Return if this would be the last return filed for this particular EIN. select Address Change if there was a business address change since the last time of filing. Once the corresponding information has been entered, click Save and Continue at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Please select which type of 2290 return that is being filed. Select Continue under the 2290 Return tab to file a 2290 return. Select Continue under the 2290 Amendments tab if any corrections are being made to a previously filed return. You can only amend a vehicle's gross weight or mileage if there has been an increase since the filing of the original return. This is the Taxable Vehicles page. Please enter your taxable vehicle information here. To add a new vehicle, select the Add Vehicle button. When the Add Vehicle button is selected, the user will be prompted to add their vehicle information, such as the vehicle VIN, weight, and if the vehicle will be used for logging. The VIN must be at least 17 digits long. The vehicle weight includes the weight of the vehicle itself, as well as the trailer and load. Only enter the vehicles that have or will be driven over 5,000 miles on the highway for the current tax year and have not been used for agricultural purposes. If filing for multiple vehicles, each user may use our custom-made spreadsheet to upload them all at once. The Excel spreadsheet can be downloaded by clicking the Upload button. If you have filed with us before, your previously filed taxable vehicles are stored within our database. You can access those vehicles by selecting the Import button. Be sure to review the entered vehicles before moving forward. If any vehicles have been imported, remember to delete any that will not be filed to the IRS. Select Save and Continue to move on to the next page. This is the Credit Request page. This page is only used to request a credit for any vehicles that have been stolen, destroyed, or sold throughout the tax year. If there are no credited vehicles to claim, click the Save and Continue button to move to the next page. This is the Suspended Vehicles page. Here, list each vehicle that was driven under 5,000 miles or any vehicle used for agricultural purposes. If multiple vehicles are being filed, upload them all at once using our custom Excel sheet by selecting the Upload button. If you have filed with us before, use the Import button to load any suspended vehicles that have previously been saved to your account. To add any new vehicle, select the Add Vehicle button. Suspended vehicles are exempt from being taxed. However, filers must still receive their Schedule 1 to register these vehicles. If there are no suspended vehicles to claim, select Save and Continue to move forward. The third Party Designee allows an individual other than the vehicle owner to speak to the IRS about each filing. To grant permission to a designee, please select Yes to the following questions. The owner will be prompted to enter the designee's name, their custom 5-digit PIN, and their phone number. If you are a paid preparer filing on an owner's behalf, please select Yes to the corresponding question and enter your information as well as the information of your firm. You are offered 4 different payment methods for the IRS tax. Your total tax amount owed is always going to be located at the top of the page. The first payment option is direct debit. This option allows the IRS to directly take the payment out of the bank account using the information that you provide. The second option is EFTPS, which also stands for Electronic Federal Tax Payment System. This option is available for workers who are already pre-enrolled in the EFTPS program. The third option to pay is by using a credit or a debit card. By selecting this option, the user will be prompted to visit the irs.gov/pay-by-card to pay their amount owed once their form has been submitted. Unfortunately, for the 2019 tax season, this option has been disabled by the IRS. The final payment option is to pay by check. This option requires the user to print their tax form and mail it in alongside with a check to the IRS. The option to mail in a check along with your Schedule 1 may take up to 6 weeks before a Schedule 1 can be issued by the IRS. The Consent to Disclosure form is an optional form that gives the IRS permission to relay payment information to the DOT, CBP, and the state DMV. If No is selected, this will not affect your form's filing acceptance status. This is the review page. Everything previously entered on the tax form will be displayed here. Please view this page to ensure all of the information that was entered is correct. Once the review is finished, you are now ready to submit. Please select the Submit button on the right-hand bottom of the page.